So here's the mower I got off the side of the road. There's another one there, so I took the air filter because this one didn't have one on it. So when I got it, this fuel valve was off for some reason. So I turned that on. Still didn't start. Felt like it had good compression, but it still didn't start. I choked it, unchoked it, still wouldn't start. First thing I noticed when I picked it up, this cable's kinked here, coming from the throttle rod or whatever that is. As well as this one. This is for the drive system. So I sprayed ether at it, cranked it, didn't start. So I just started looking at that, and when I pull it, this thing moves, but it doesn't move very far. So it doesn't start. But you just help that thing move a little bit, just a little bit. That's good. But I'm going to patch these two cables up with some tape or maybe a pin outside, and should be pretty good to go. Just tell the customer to pull that way a little bit, it'll start every time. So what am I going to do? Throw the air filter back in it here. Just put it on right. This one doesn't have the auto choke, but it says it does. But anyways, that's all it took. Picked it up for free. Get some of this dirt off of here. We'll sell this thing just as it is. 40 bucks or something. Doing stuff with Dylan. Fix the old Husqvarna. There's the drive cable. There's the throttle cable. I'm going to try to fix up these cables for him a little bit. Take that pin apart. And you need to slice down that pin. Careful not to cut yourself. Let's make that shorter. You just take your pin and you cut down the side of it. Like that. And you got to slice down your pin. Alright. You take some electrical tape. Right above your brake, you're going to wrap it around a few times. So it holds that cable. Alright, and then spread this insert out so you can slide it onto that cable. Then let that electrical tape come out of that crack. And then tape it. That'll keep that from sliding down super easy. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better than that cable bending anymore. And wrap it all the way down to the bottom. Alright, that looks much better. Still another one there. I'm probably just gonna tape that guy up real quick so it doesn't get any worse. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but it's mashed right there. I'm just gonna try to unmash it a little bit. You can feel it bonding up in there. wiggling it around. Help free that cable up. All right, let's sell it. All right, got the mower sold. I think I picked it up about an hour ago. Got it home, did what I said, and I've already sold it. So, good deal. 35 bucks. I ain't trying to kill nobody. Out it goes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Doing Stuff with Dylan.